channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this Michael Myers makeup look from Halloween 2018. This is a Halloween movie everyone has been so excited about, being that there have been so many installments in the franchise and the newest one is coming out today, so I thought it to be only appropriate to do a Michael Myers makeup look. Something to keep in mind with Michael Myers is I'm currently doing his newest mask because it is completely rugged and kind of torn apart and discolored, while his original one was literally just almost completely white. And so I definitely wanted to challenge myself with doing the newer tattered version because it is for the new movie, so it kind of works. As intimidating as this may look, it's actually really easy to do because you're basically just putting white body paint on your face and then just adding a whole bunch of like paint and areas to try and make it look like a mask, but it's already on your face. So guess what? If you can't afford one of the Michael Myers masks, you can become the Michael Myers mask. Another great thing to keep in mind is if you paint your eyelids black, it kind of looks like you're the mask, you know? It kind of works. Or you can wear black Sclera lenses so you can still function at a party or at a given event and not literally run into every single pole in sight or out of sight. Yes. Also, let me know if you guys are planning to go see the new Halloween movie. It is released nationwide today, so I'm really interested in going to see it. I want to see it as soon as possible, so let me know if you guys are planning to see it too. I will also leave the general ticket link down below so you guys can check it out. Just gonna help you out a little bit there. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Michael Myers makeup look from the new Halloween, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, we are going to be covering up our eyebrows using the Elmer's glue technique, or whatever technique you prefer. We're then going to be taking our ColourPop white concealer and just applying that over the eyebrows, and I did 2 layers of this just to make sure it was opaque before going in with some baby powder and just setting that so it doesn't move when we move on to the rest of our face. For the face, I'm going to be taking my Mare Paradise paint in white and just applying that all over my face with my IT Cosmetics airbrush buffing brush just to make sure that we have as little streaks as possible. I've been finding that using an actual foundation brush like this actually helps alleviate any streaks or cracks, and honestly, it's what I'm used to. It's quite nice. Then we're going to be setting our face with our baby powder once again before moving on to adding some discoloration. I'm going to start off by taking my Graftobian Pro Paint in Graveyard Gray on the same buffing brush and just trying to replicate the mask where they have some darker areas. So this is going to be the center of your forehead and your cheeks before going ahead and moving on to adding the facial features. So this is going to be the wrinkles on the sides of the face and the nasolabial folds, and also putting that under your chin, your eyebrows, just really going in for the details. I'm also going to go ahead and outline the eye area, and since I am wearing the Sclera contact lenses, I just decided to keep it in a small area around my normal eye, and if you want, feel free to put them at an angle because his are actually angled in the mask. I'm then going to be taking my Mare Paradise paint in yellow and my Graftobian Pro Paint in Mantis Green, mixing them together until we kind of get a lovely pukey color, and we're just going to start discoloring the mask a little bit more. So I'm going to be taking a sponge and just applying that onto the contours of the mask, and it's really great to have a reference photo for this entire project just so you can place it where it would get dirty, or at least where Michael's got dirty. We're also going to be taking our Graftobian Pro Paint in Fuzzy Bear Brown and doing the exact same thing just to help deepen up and add more of a muddy look to this mask. And we're also going to stipple on some of our NYX Total Control Foundation in Porcelain all over the mask. Next, we're going to be taking our Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette, taking Mist, and just applying this over the details from earlier just to add a little bit more of a shadow before doing the exact same thing with our jet black eyeshadow, and also making sure to contour the nose before we move on to adding more of these scratchy details that are under his eyes. These kind of help represent a little bit of eye bags, and you're also going to help define the edge of the mask that ends at your neck. We're then going to be going back into our Mare Paradise paint in white and just adding a few highlights under the little contours that we did just to help accentuate those a little bit more. And we're also going to be taking the jet black eyeshadow once again and just kind of accentuating the brow bone and forehead area. Michael also has this really nice streak on the side of his mask, so I'm going to be replicating that as well. I'm then going to be taking my Mare Paradise paint in black and going back into my Lorac Mega Pro 3 Jet Black eyeshadow, and we're going to be filling in the eye socket area, and you want to make sure to set this with some black eyeshadow just to make sure it doesn't move and transfer onto areas that you did not intend to have black eyeshadow or body paint. We're then going to be taking our Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner in sleek black and just tightlining our lower waterline to really give that soulless eye look. And we're going to be going back into our Maryland Paradise paint in white to add some highlights under the eye socket area. This is going to make this area look lifted and really help deepen and sink in our eye sockets. Going back into our Graftobian Pro Paint in Graveyard Gray, we're going to be creating some more defined eyebrow structure. So you want to go ahead and just lay down a little bit of your gray body paint before going over it with some of your Maryland Paradise paint in white, not only to kind of help blend it out, but to also add a few more highlights right there as well. We're also going to be adding some highlights to the rest of the mask just to make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. And then we're going to be taking our gray body paint and our black body paint and just creating a few indentions into the mask and also creating some more defined scratches right under the eye sockets. We're then going to be taking our walnut eyeshadow and add a shadow under the mask just to really help make this mask look more three-dimensional and it is not a part of our body. Then we're going to be going back into our Maryland Paradise paint in yellow and our Graftobian Pro paint in Mantis green. And we're going to add a little bit more of that muddy, murky discoloration to our lips as well. And last but not least, you're going to be taking your Maryland Paradise paint in black and just adding some more definition to the inner cracks of your lips and the outer edges as well. And that is the completed Michael Myers look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my Halloween videos. I upload a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the month of October, and a spoopy Saturday approximately some day over the weekend. So anyways, with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Don't you love when your eye starts watering and you're wearing water-activated body paint?
Stop right there, criminal scum! Nobody breaks the law on my watch! I'm confiscating your stolen goods. Now pay your fine, or it's off to jail.
What are you doing?